Welcome back, everybody, to another chapter, maybe the final chapter of this journey. I got some news and stuff I'm gonna do, but before I start, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and let's get started. So, today my plan for the car, I'm gonna try and change the oil and the oil filter. I'm gonna see if I can clean the engine bay best I can. I got some news for you guys. I got someone that is interested in the car. I didn't post it yet, but talking with someone, person was interested in get the car for $2,500. So I want to clean it before the person came here and check that one. Let's see if the person wanted. So I'm excited about that, but I don't want to give a product unfinished product, so I'm gonna do my best to it. So I'm gonna try to clean that engine bay, and I'm gonna change the oil, and then see what happened. If this is the last video, I don't know. I'll let you know if this is the last video about this car. But so far, to give you a summary of what we did, changed all the brake pads, the two rear caliper, already clean all the inside carpet and the plastics, including the dash, the two front seats, and I fixed the two headlights. You got a new battery, a new exhaust manifold because the other one was bad, new fluid, a new bleeding. I bleed the whole system. The throttle is good. I just clean it too, and I think that's all. The real where's the trunk lead to open the switch is I fixed that one, and the subwoofer need to be installed. The only thing for that subwoofer was to be tight. Also the driver's side seat I adjusted, so now it's go move back and forth and everything's clean. So without further ado, let's get start on this engine because it look dirty. It is good, it's just dirty, and I need to clean the plastic cover is there. So let's see how this one going to there. Here we go. I just finished it to clean the car, the engine bay. I changed camera. Yeah, the other one says full, but anyway, I clean it. The only thing I don't like that this plastic here, it looked like grease, but it was like toasted. I don't know, maybe it's all, oh hello, it's all, but it toasted. I don't like it because it looked like it was still grease there. But look, you can go back and see before, and here's the after. It looked way much better, and it's wet. But look, the day is raining too. It's a rainy day, so I can't do it dry. And anyway, I don't know if this car is leaving today. I don't know. Just stay tuned. If the car is leaving today, this will be the final video, or maybe I do one. I don't know if the person want me to put, because I still have to put the rear seats and the trunk. Like, trunk need to be put it together. So I don't know if the person want to take it and they fix it, fine, and I still need to put the subwoofer. But for this video, this is gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching. If it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Go to the Instagram page that you can see the link here, and subscribe too. Follow me. If you have any comment or any suggestion, please put it in the comments below. My point, if I sell the car, my point is to get another one and I have another project car, technically the same. My goal is to have cars that they're up and running with some minimal thing, like I need to change the oil, I need to change the battery, like spark plug is that, and there's decent, and sell it in a decent price. I don't do this one for make money. I do these ones, this is my therapy. This is the way I will go into keep my mind busy on my free days. So other people have, like, I'm gonna play sport, so this is my hobby, just fixing stuff. And what about if I fix stuff and you guys see it? Again, this was a 2006 Scion TC that I bought in 500 bucks because they don't know what happening. The muffler was bad, and technically it was wrong. Was two things: the cold pack and the spark plug that you can see in the first video how bad they were, and the exhaust manifold that was clogged and it was doing a misfire. So I fixed everything. I was able to buy that one, new battery, new thing. So this is a good car, good for running. It's not look beautiful like brand new, but you guys see the transformation. What you guys think about the car, please comment below, and thanks for watching. See you guys soon.